Welcome back in maths class, 5th standard children. Now we are going to start chapter number 4, parts and wholes. Okay, first of all, parts and wholes. That means if an object is divided into two equal parts, each part is called half or one half part of whole. I hope you understood. Okay, and suppose you have taken one chocolate and you want to divide into two equal parts, so one part will be called half or one half part of that. I hope you understood that, and this will be read as one half or 1 by 2 part. If an object is divided into three equal parts, then each part is called one third part, or okay, one third you will write like that, or third part or one third part. Okay, this is called okay, one third part. In fractions, it is called in parts. If an object is divided into four equal parts, then each part is called one fourth or a fourth part of a whole. Okay, and it is written as 1 by 4. Understood, I hope this one. Now we are going to start question number first. Divide the squares. Okay, first question. Divide the squares given below into 6 equal parts using different ways. 6 equal parts, children. Okay, you can draw a line with the scale and take the help of scale to measure. Okay, I am without measuring, I am drawing here. Okay, uh, 1 2 3 4, and this one 5 and 6, but you have to use scale to measure. And same way you can do like this also, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, but not roughly you have to draw, children. In your book you have to take help of that. What is that called? Scale. And another way, one sum I will do for you, other remaining sums you will do yourself, children. Okay, you see here. Okay, because it at least it should look equal. 1 2 3, and if I will divide, so how many parts? 6 parts. Same way, children, if I will draw like that, sorry, because it is slippery to draw over here. Okay, not, I can't draw straight way, so but you have to take help of that. This is that 4 different ways. Same way, children, question number 2, you see, divide the rectangles given below in 4 equal parts using different ways. As I taught in the first one, you have to do 4 equal parts, 1 2 3 4. Okay, you will draw like that 4 equal parts, but scale and having same measure, because by estimation I am drawing. You see this one is little bigger than the remaining, so you have to again I am telling, in your paper if you will draw roughly, okay, then the marks will not be given. And 4 equal parts, this is another way. You can, with the help of scale, you can draw like that. These are also you will get 4 equal parts. Okay, so I hope you understood. And remaining these, this one and this one, you have to do yourself now. Okay, you have to complete this. Now I am going to start question number, we will discuss question number third. Here, match the following. Okay, match section A and section B, children. Total 1 2 3 4. So shaded portion here 2, out of which 2 by 4. So you will find where 2 by 4 is written. Is there written? No, nowhere is written. That means if it is not written, children, that means 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. That means if 2 by 4 not written, that means 1 by 2. Okay, it will go with 1 by 2. You can match this one by this one. And this one, out of 3 parts, 2 parts are shaded, 2 by 3. Is there written 2 by 3 anywhere? You find out, this is C. So you will match with C. Here you will write, okay, this one number 1, this is going to match with number 2, like this you have to write. Okay, And then number 3, out of 1, 2, 3, 4 parts, 3 parts are, okay, out of 4, 3 parts. So here it will, that means number 3, and out of 4 the 1 is shaded, 1 by 4, is it written? This one, okay, that means number 4. And out of 1, 2, 3, one part is shaded, that is A part, okay, and 5. I hope you understood this. Okay, children, now we are going to start next question. Question number 4. Okay, you see here question number 4. State which figure represent the correct fractions of shaded part. Okay, which one is correct? What is written over here? 1 by 2. Okay, so out it is not equal. Okay, so you can't write 1 by, so this is incorrect. Incorrect. And here also not equally divided, so this is also incorrect. You have to write word incorrect. And these are equally, first divided equally, then shaded, 3 by 4, so this is correct. You write the word correct. And this one equally divided, you have to check the first thing, the parts of the given figure should be divided equally, then afterward the shaded part is going to match with the answer given or not. This is correct. No, sorry, this is incorrect. Because why this is incorrect? Because divided equally, but here 1 by 4 should come, so it is incorrect. Understood? So okay, now next one. This is first not divided properly, so this is also incorrect. Okay, and here divided equally. Now let us see 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 are 4 out of 8. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are, so 1 by 2. That means correct. So you will write here correct. I hope you understood fourth question also. Now fifth one, represent the shaded and unshaded part of the figures given below in fractions. Okay, so here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shaded out of what? 8 parts. So 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are. So answer you can write here 1 by 2 also. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shaded, and how many are these? Total 16 are there. 4 by 16, or 1, 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16, or 1 by 4. Same way children, you can do the remaining parts of question number 5th. Okay, I am giving all these how you have to do the 5th part in homework. 5th part you have to do same way as I explained first and second question of 5th question, 1 to 4, and 5th question you have to complete in your workbook, in this practice book only. I hope you understood. Do your homework, then afterward I will explain next question.